If you're trying to decide between the Panasonic Lumix L10 and the Lumix S9, here's the simple way I see it after looking at both. The L10 feels like a modern take on a classic travel camera. It's got a fixed Leica zoom lens, so you don't swap anything. Just turn it on and shoot. You also get a built-in viewfinder and even a hot shoe, which makes it feel more real camera in the traditional sense. It's great for street photography, travel, and people who just want everything in one compact body. The S9, on the other hand, is built for creators. It's full frame, shoots cleaner in low light, and gives you that strong background blur you see in cinematic videos. Plus, you can change lenses, which is a big deal if you want flexibility for vlogging or hybrid shooting. So basically, L10 is simplicity and all-in-one shooting. S9 is power, flexibility, and video-first performance.